I'm hearing it. I'm gonna do Meep City on another Roblox video. So play. I haven't done computer in a long time, but somehow you control with the up, down, left, and right keys. Up, left and right are the camera for this thing, and up and down are how you move. How would the offer end in that much time? Whoa! Where's my body? What? Oh, there we go. It's loading in. Oh, I like the music. Woo. What? What is that face? Is it a meep or something? I know that's a meep. A doggy kind of meep. And that's a fairy who owns one of these meeps. Which meep do you own, fairy? Which meep do you own? No, I don't want to do that. Cancel. What are they pointing to? That. Me. Edit avatar. What, is there like different hairstyles or something? There. Let's go on to that hat. Or, well, does that get rid of your hair? I don't have any hat or clothes or that expression, that. Yeah, we have a bunch of hair, but no hat, shirt, pants, hat, shirt, and pants, emotes, or accessories. I don't know why we don't. Oh, bow ties. Oh. There. Oh. Hey, look at all this. Hey, wait a minute. Isn't that Sir Meows a lot? Like Dennis Daly? That kind of Sir Meows a lot? And this guy looks very familiar too. I don't know why. Maybe because he's Tweeter. No, I don't want that guy. I'll take Tweeter. None of that. None of that. And none of that. Wait, I think I saw. Oh yeah, there is stuff there. Well, that's way too big. That covers up my VIP thing. There we go. Can I stop being a kid now? Why am I a kid in the first place? How it morph into a teen? Oh, that's what it is so far? Oh, wait, no. Oh no, there are cops in here. I guess cops hate teenagers in this town. Seriously, why was there a dumb cop in the water? Hey, did I discover a secret here? Hey. What? I can start. Oh. Man. I know Kiki. I know Kiki, but look. Hey. I think I'll get rid of the wheelchair. I don't need it. Oh, Meeps are making this? Man. They're pretty good for just round balls. They'd have to roll to get around. Yo, dude, what do you got for me? There's no one working here. What? Okay, dude, can you at least give me that obelisk there? Or that one, it doesn't matter which. Or that starter pack. Or plus. Or give me more meep coins. Or just at least sell me that blue carpet. That was the smallest in the area, right? Could you at least sell me that obelisk? Or that other obelisk? Or starter pack or plus. Or that blue carpet. Yeah, it's the smallest one in the room. Yeah, that's why, because it's the smallest in the room. Hey, what's this? You don't have any friends on Roblox or Meep City. How about games? Oh, I've heard of Starball Ollie. Yeah, Starball was great. Sunny. No, this isn't Sunnyland. This is Candyland. Ah, 5 is the one I needed to do. This one is like a real game. It's crazy. Do we really have to cross that? They're trying to cheat. That won't work. They made it so you would rip like that. How do you even do that? That looks so hard. Hey, come on. There's a star right there. Oh, you can. Okay, was that really it? I wanted to get that star before I finish. I got that star. Where are the other two? Show me them. Is there one in this guy's lovely house? Yes, there is. Where's the last one? I'm not gonna ask. I'm just gonna go straight for the finish. That was like so quick. So quick. You found her. You found her. Now we need to do 6. 6 is the goal for today. Confetti. What is that, like a face cam or something? To show... Ah! Bam. Confetti. Oh! I still get the star. I still get the star, that's good. Well, that's like awesome. What, there's one up there? Ah! What? Really? That's what this game does. It's like the controls are so awkward. And everything. It's like Createria Run, but harder. We should do more of that Createria sometime. I just bounced off. I gotta leave it here, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you later.